If your company runs on NetSuite, it's the backbone of your operations. But when it comes to transportation, most teams are still working outside the system. To manage your supply chain effectively, you need a transportation management system that runs inside of NetSuite. FreightPOP is a built-for NetSuite TMS that handles inbound and outbound shipments across all modes and carriers, with an intelligence layer that works in tandem with NetSuite's AI infrastructure. Let's break down what makes FreightPOP one of the best NetSuite TMS solutions. What to look for in a NetSuite TMS in 2026. The depth and quality of TMS integrations vary enormously. Here's what matters when evaluating a NetSuite TMS in 2026. Native and hybrid integrations. A strong NetSuite TMS should pull order and inventory data out of NetSuite automatically, then write shipment records, tracking updates, and freight costs back in, without manual intervention or middleware headaches. Additionally, top NetSuite solutions allow customers to access TMS functionality natively inside the NetSuite application. Multi-modal rate shopping across all carriers. The best NetSuite TMS platforms don't lock you into a preferred carrier network. They connect to hundreds of carriers, LTL, FTL, parcel, air, and ocean, giving you access to your negotiated rates, real-time carrier pricing, and spot quote capabilities when needed. Automated label generation. Manually generating BOLs, custom forms, packing slips, and labels for every shipment is slow and error-prone. Your NetSuite TMS should auto-generate and print these documents as shipment booking based on the documents relevant to that specific shipment. Real-time shipment tracking and alerts. Freight visibility shouldn't require a phone call. Look for a platform that provides end-to-end tracking with proactive alerts for delays, exceptions, and delivery confirmations, so your ops and customer service teams can answer, "Where is it?" before a customer has to ask. Automated freight invoice auditing. Carrier invoice errors are common and costly. The best NetSuite TMS platforms automate invoice auditing, flagging duplicate charges, incorrect freight classifications, and unexpected accessorials before they're paid. AI-powered operations support. The newest generation of TMS platforms uses embedded intelligence to autonomously manage routine logistics tasks, consolidating orders, automating dock scheduling, adjusting routes in real time, handling claims, and answering operational questions on demand. Now that you know what to look for in a NetSuite TMS, here's a solution that stands out as one of the strongest options on the market. FreightPOP, a NetSuite TMS built for mid-market and enterprise shippers. FreightPOP is a transportation management suite designed for manufacturers, retailers, and distributors who need to manage inbound and outbound freight across multiple modes, and who need that operation to work natively within NetSuite. Here's where FreightPOP stands out across three core pillars: all modes, all carriers, all rates. Most TMS platforms have a preferred carrier network. FreightPOP is different. The platform aggregates your negotiated rates from all your carriers, LTL, FTL, parcel, air, and ocean, into a single dashboard, so your team can compare carrier names, transit times, modes, and discounted rates side by side on every single shipment. SelectHub's research analysts gave FreightPOP's multi-modal rate shopping a perfect score, highlighting how expanded carrier access can drive 10 to 30% freight cost reductions. Inbound and outbound shipping and visibility. FreightPOP manages the full shipment lifecycle, covering both outbound and inbound operations. The platform provides end-to-end visibility across inbound and outbound freight, including multi-leg and third-party shipments, with real-time red flag alerts and exception notifications when something goes wrong. On the document side, FreightPOP auto-generates and prints bills of lading, shipping labels, packing slips, customs forms, and international air carrier documentation directly within the platform. And on the back end, FreightPOP's invoicing capabilities, which also earned a perfect score in SelectHub's research, automate freight invoice auditing, catching duplicate charges, incorrect classifications, and unexpected accessorials before they're paid. FreightPOP and NetSuite connected intelligence. FreightPOP's integration capabilities earned a perfect score of 100 in SelectHub's research, supporting both native and hybrid integration models with NetSuite. For teams that prioritize flexibility, FreightPOP supports a hybrid approach, where NetSuite and FreightPOP operate as connected systems, syncing orders, shipments, tracking, and costs in real time. This model allows organizations to extend existing workflows while maintaining separation between systems. For those looking to streamline operations further, FreightPOP also offers a native integration within within NetSuite. In this model, shipping and logistics workflows are executed directly inside the ERP, enabling teams to manage orders and process shipments without ever leaving NetSuite. Built on top of either model is FreightPOP Intelligence, an AI layer with two operating modes. Agentic mode handles repetitive background tasks like order consolidation, dock scheduling, and high-volume shipment processing to reduce freight costs. Copilot mode supports your team in real time by flagging delays, suggesting routing adjustments, executing shipment tasks via voice, and answering operational questions. Together, these integration options and the intelligence layer transform FreightPOP from a standalone TMS into an active extension of your NetSuite ERP. In summary, FreightPOP is a strong fit if you use NetSuite and want to manage freight shipments without leaving the platform. You ship via multiple modes, LTL, parcel, FTL, international, and want to compare rates for shipments. You want to reduce manual data entry between your shipping and ERP systems. You need automated BOLs, customs forms, packing slips, and labels to support high shipment volumes. You want real-time tracking and exception alerts without logging into carrier portals. You're losing money to freight invoice errors and want automated auditing. You're a mid-market or enterprise shipper, manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, distributor, or 3PL, and more. For companies where freight is a meaningful cost center and NetSuite is their system of record, FreightPOP is one of the most capable NetSuite TMS options on the market today. To see how FreightPOP integrates with NetSuite and explore a demo, check out the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.